The Ministry of Infrastructure has received a modern pothole patcher, marking a new era in road maintenance efficiency.
This pothole patcher cost the government about $1 million, and that $1 million came from the CIP program.
The equipment handover followed days of technical training conducted by Jim Bishop, a lead technical representative from Burkamp Inc.
I've spent the last few days here training your staff on the operations of our Burkamp FP5 pothole patcher truck. We're so proud to have turned this over to your agency. This is a all-in-one patcher. It has a jackhammer on it. It has a plate compactor on the back of it, and it holds approximately 5 tons of asphalt, so you can get a lot of pothole patches done throughout the day. We went out yesterday and did some demonstrations in the field. The workers were very attentive. They learned quite a bit from our training seminar that we had, and appreciate your attention to that.
Prime Minister Philip J. Pierre spoke about the verbal abuse often directed at pothole crews by frustrated drivers, using it to underscore the urgency of acquiring the new equipment to effectively repair the island's roadways.
We thought that a pothole patcher would make things a little easier, a little more convenient, but most of all, to make it happen faster. Because we live in a very impatient society. We want it now, now, now. This government listens, and step by step, we are trying to alleviate the problems for the people of St. Lucia, step by step. So we thought that the first thing to do would have been to deal with the inconvenience, the irritants of the potholes, or what a pothole causes. And then we've got this patcher. Hopefully, if all things go well, we should see if we can get another one, so we can have one in the north and one in the south.
Staff and custodians of the equipment were challenged to ensure its proper care and maintenance.
All of us drive our vehicles. All of us have vehicles on the road. So I want to implore the staff to maintain it properly, to keep it going. The important thing is maintenance. And I hope we can have a maintenance regime for this vehicle. So I'm very pleased that we've started. I hope we can see the vehicle getting to work by Monday, if not Sunday. So we can get some work done. We have a lot of work to do.
Infrastructure Minister Stephenson King expects the modern pothole patcher to be deployed daily, particularly on the island's main thoroughfares.
The Julian R. Hunt Highway, the West Coast and the East Coast, the cross-country road, the Battle Hill, and where necessary, when there is insufficient work to be done along those routes, to move into major communities and to assist in the pothole repairs and the maintenance of our roads. This beast, as I call it, will be out there chasing potholes. It will be able to ensure, as I've often said, we do not allow a 25 cents pothole exacerbate in price to a $1,000 pothole. So for you, the workers on this truck, you are going to be the vigilantes. You are the ones who will be able to see those potholes, find them, look for them, and ensure that the right application is given.
King assured the public that the Ministry of Infrastructure will continue what he described as its aggressive road maintenance plan alongside the 2030 Infrastructure Strategic Plan, which introduces new technologies and protocols to enhance the island's critical infrastructure.